In the shop today, we've got a F-150 getting a BDS 2.5-inch leveling kit, and we've got this brand new AT4 HD that's getting a leveling kit, and some Moto Metal 970s, which are over here with the red accent. And then we've got some Nitto Ridge Grapplers, 35, 1150, 20s going on there as well.
That's over with Marty shenanigans. Here we have a new build, a 2021 GMC AT4. We did a rough country leveling kit, and we put some wheels and tires on there. We got Moto Metal 20x9s. We did some 35 by 1150s, Nitto Ridge Grapplers. I think it really complemented the vehicle. If you take a closer look at these tires here, these wheels here, that red accent really matches well with what we got going on with the truck. So it's a nice build, it's a nice looking truck. And if you notice the license plate, El Karma, the karma's back.